Sometimes life gets that so many believers are quietly fighting. But I want you to know something very important today. And please let these words settle deep in your heart. Positivity in Islam doesn't mean pretending the pain isn't real. It doesn't mean plastering on a smile while you're breaking inside. It doesn't mean suppressing your tears or hiding your fears. True positivity is about knowing that even in the middle of your pain, Allah is with you. That even when the world feels empty, your Rabb has never left you. That even when the answers haven't come yet, His wisdom is at work. A life without tests. The prophets themselves, the most beloved people to Allah, they were tested more than anyone. They cried, they struggled, they felt sorrow. But what kept them going? Tawakkul, sabr, unshakable faith that no matter how dark it gets, Allah's light will come. So if your heart feels heavy today, if your du'as feel unanswered, if you're questioning your worth or your strength or your future, please remember this. You are not broken. You are being rebuilt. You are not abandoned. You are being prepared. And you are not alone. Your Rabb is closer to you than your jugular, loyal to Him, even when He had nothing. That's a lesson in itself. But the real beauty of this story isn't just in how much he lost. It's in how he responded to the loss. Not once did Prophet Ayub complain. Not once did he say, "Why me?" He never lost his trust in Allah. He never lost his gratitude. Yes, he cried. Yes, he felt pain. But he knew his Rabb. And he knew that his Rabb hadn't abandoned him. Years passed, not days, not weeks, years. And then, after enduring every kind of hardship, he made a simple, gentle, and deeply powerful dua. Indeed, adversity gets unbearable. You see, most people love Allah when things are going well. But the real test and the real beauty is loving Him when everything's falling apart. And Ayub showed us how that love looks. He didn't fake a smile. He didn't pretend he wasn't suffering. But he held on to one thing, his hope in Allah. And that's what we need today. Because maybe you've lost something too. Maybe your body is hurting, or your heart is breaking, or your soul is tired from a test that seems endless. And maybe people around you are saying, it's been years and nothing's changing. But the story of Ayub reminds us, even if the test is long, who brought him back from the edge of life is the same one who's watching over you right now. Subhanallah. May Allah grant us sabr like Ayub, hearts that remain loyal in hardship, and relief that brings tears of gratitude. Ameen. One of the most beautiful truths in our faith is this: your pain is not pointless. It may feel like it. It may seem random, unfair, or even cruel. But in the eyes of Allah, your pain has purpose. You see, when hardship hits, it can do one of two things. It can either break you, or it can bring you closer to your Creator. And for the believer, every test, every heartbreak, every hardship is a change you, to change your heart, to soften your ego, to remind you who's in control. Let's be honest, when life is good, we often forget. When our bank account is full, when our health is strong, when everything is easy, we get distracted. We delay our salah. We rush our duyas. We fill our days with dunya, and we lose the sweetness of our connection with Allah. But then something